In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic dropdown to Jotform. Let's dive right in and get started by opening your form in the form builder. This is where all the magic happens. It's the central hub where you and your team can create, edit, and manage all of your form elements. Once you're inside the form builder, take a look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find the Form Elements panel. What we're interested in here is the Widgets tab, so go ahead and click on that. Widgets are a fantastic way to add extra functionality to your forms, making them more interactive and user-friendly. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Widgets tab, type in Dynamic Dropdowns and hit Enter. This will filter the list to show exactly what we're looking for. When you find the Dynamic Dropdowns widget, all you need to do is click and drag it directly into your form. This will automatically add the dropdown element to your form, making it visible for preview. With the dynamic dropdown placed on your form, you'll notice a wand icon appear. This is the settings menu for your widget. Clicking on this icon will open up a whole new set of options in the right-hand panel, allowing you to customize exactly how your dropdown will function. In the settings panel, look for the values box. This is where you'll define your dropdown structure. It's almost like writing a mini outline. You can nest or indent items to establish a parent-child hierarchy for your drop-down menus. So for instance, under a main category like fruits, you might add subcategories like citrus, followed by options like orange and lemon. It's worth noting that you can nest these lists as deeply as you'd like, and you don't have to worry about how many spaces you use for indentation as long as it's consistent. This is what will create that tiered effect within your drop-down menu. If you'd like to keep an option in the dropdown empty, just use a single dot to represent that, and an asterisk before any value signifies that a selection is required from its direct descendant dropdown menu. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've added a dynamic dropdown widget to your Jotform, enhancing its functionality and ensuring a better user experience. Your form is now equipped to guide users through choices in a more intuitive way, and you're well on your way to creating a truly dynamic form. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.